transmission. The medium and also the short. So we are having this. We are having that this VS coach. Shine this, and this is actually this is sine y this. So comparing with the medium, we realize that your A is actually coach this, and your B is characteristic impedance multiply with shine so your C sine y L. You can divide that with your characteristics impedance, and your D is cost of this. Please take note that your characteristic impedance is the same thing as Z divided by admittance. We call this characteristics impedance. And also your shunt impedance, the same thing as you multiply this. This is your shunt impedance. Shunt admittance, thank you. So that is how it is. You need all this relationship when you are actually modeling your transmission line. But in the circuit diagram, for short line, we have the source, we have the resistance, we have the reactant, we have the load, we also have, so this is your load, this is, and that. This is how we model the circuitry modeling of short transmission line. You can also have the same thing for medium. Medium is of this nature. You have the two shunts admittance. You connect this to your resistance admittance. You also shunt it. So, and you have the load. This is your load, and this is actually your reactance resistance, and this is your power source. So what we are noting is that we can combine the parameters according to the line that we are given. And also note that the shunt characteristic impedance and also the shunt admittance is very, very important in the power transfer and transmission line design. So all this is very, very important, and I will like you to actually go home and study it more. The next one we want to look at is another form. We have what we call the sending. You have something like this, and we have this. This actually the sending voltage. You can have this as reflective voltage for long transmission line. So we actually have this plus to be this plus this. We also have this. That is your brief. Please take note of these two. You can multiply this with exponential yx. This is exponential minus yx. Also note that for reflecting values, your x is 1, and also for sending your x is 0. So instead of using the trig form, we can also use exponential form to calculate your transmission line parameters on the long line. You know, the other formula we use trig, but this one is your exponential relationship. So please, I want you to take notes of all this so that you can be guided when you are solving equations. Thank you.